My name is Mitra Jouhari, and this is ASMR Activism, a series that explores how to harness the infinite power of ASMR and channel it towards activism. Today's topic: registering to vote. It's really easy. Go to rockthevote.org. Look up information for your state on how to register. Some states you can register online. Others, you might have to mail in. And some require you to go to the DMV or another government office. Make sure you do this really far in advance. Some states need you to register really freaking early. Voting is your right, and it gives you power.
Wow, that was easy. You're so powerful. You vote, are you?
I am. And so are you. This is ASMR Activism. I'll see you, and you'll hear me later.